Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide how to set up the Figma's MCP server. I am John, I'm a product designer, and let's dive deeper into this video guide. To start with, go to your Figma and make sure you have your designs ready. And in the designs, you also need to make sure that components are constructed properly with proper auto layout and everything. And then you need to make sure you need to have the Figma's latest update. So go to check updates and update to the latest. I have the latest one, so we are good. And let me save you some time. It needs to have the paid version of Figma or else it's not gonna work. So go to your Figma here and go to preference after that, and then enable dev mode MCP server. So I already have it set up, here. So go here and make sure it's enabled. So right now enabling, then you'll get this indicator of that it's server is enabled. So now Figma is set up, and already now go to your cursor where if you don't have cursor yet, you can go to cursor.com and download it. So you have your cursor set up and ready. And also, if you are not aware what MCP is, I've written a blog article on my Substack newsletter. You can go read that as well. So you can go here and open a new project. So what you're gonna do is create a place where maybe let's do MCP server Figma, where all your project files will be saved, and then create here and then open. So in the desktop, you'll start seeing it here. So now what MCP does, it connects Figma to the cursor, the code editor. So while developing, you have the context of the design, so you're not dropping screenshot or trying to look references and everything. The AI understands what your designs are, which is super helpful. Super helpful. So let's go here, and then what you can do is you can go select this, go to the link here, but also you can also mention I just selected the frame. It knows which frame you have selected, so that has a context. So take the selected frame and turn that into a HTML and CSS file. So that's the beauty of it. It understands the context, what you are selected in Figma. So you can also drop the link, like I showed you in the share. You can drop the link. So right now it's referencing that design and then building the HTML and CSS. Make sure you accept as it runs. This makes it like super easy for referencing all your designs in cursor. And yeah, this can be used like creating prototypes, quick prototypes, and also you can it's super helpful with building the design system components and everything. So it makes the process faster. Cool. So now that is set up here, and now you can go to the folder where you selected, and then it has both HTML and CSS now, which is awesome. And then click on it, double tap, and here you go. So here your component is ready, build HTML and CSS. And then you can upload like the assets and stuff. So it's like the translation. You can have all the images as well. But that's how you connect your. That's how you set up your Figma's MCP server. Make sure you subscribe to this newsletter to learn more about AI and product design. Bye.